I've never had to do this before. Not a very nice feeling, you feel like you're going to break it, but... So another job that we've got to tackle are these headlights. Now, as you can probably see, they're kind of loose. Yeah, it's not going to do too good for the old headlight aim, so no chance of getting through an inspection with it like that. Headlight won't come out because the studs on the back are rusted and they're just spinning inside the plastic housing, so there's no chance of that. Can't really get anything in there to cut them off. So it's these here. And they just spin. They're in there, they're buried in there. So apparently what you can do is get a screwdriver in, prise off some clips and actually take this glass out first. And then I can get to the rest of it. Probably not. It's prized down and away. Right, so yeah, I mean this is just basically doing nothing now. Let's just pop off, don't they? Yeah, and break. But they're brittle anyway, so yeah, they're just finished. This whole thing is just, it's had its day. So this is the stay for it, so it clips around the headlight and then holds it to stop it from dropping down. I think this side was no good anyway, was it? We need to give it a service. So yeah, let's get the drill out and start with these bolt heads and see if we can get through them. Let's give it a go. Getting fancy on this channel now. Cordless drill and everything. Sheared off. Just saved me about 13.5 minutes. There we go, finally. Whoa. That's crazy. It's as pink as it gets. It's almost white. You can see where it's been sat in the sun. All the reflection stuff's gone. Everything's just faded out, you know. So obviously that sun beating down on that plastic has just made everything so brittle. I left my hammer in the car, so I've got to get inventive again. These are Miss Involvo'd weights as well. I lift much heavier than this, of course. So guys, I hope you're ready for another round of professional work. So we have got inside one of these boxes is basically this kit. A reflector with the clips that fit onto these here, these three. But not only that, we also get a new seal to go between the plastic housing and the glass, and also a new set of clips as well. What I'm going to try and do figure out how to open this case of nuts and bolts. Not off to a good start, are we? Trying to open the box from the hinges. I'm going to use new nuts and bolts and some epoxy. Yeah, that's winding in really nice. So yeah, I've got no idea about this stuff, and it's all in Polish as well, so, but luckily we've got pictures. I don't know how much I actually need. There's quite a lot there, so I'm not going to be shy with it. Of course, when I started doing this, I didn't expect that I'd be showing people how to glue their old Volvo back together. I didn't need that much. By the 4th degree, doesn't say how long we've got to leave it for. Yeah, no grease here because we were at home, not at the garage, and I didn't bring any grease with me. But luckily I've managed to find some green grease. Just use a little bit of that just to help it on. Just pops on. You have to push it quite hard, and it's not a very nice feeling. You feel like you're going to break it, but there we go, solid. So yeah, then we just take our new seal. So yeah, I'm just going to feed it in. Yeah, we actually have to scrape all this off. So that's going to take me a while, so I'm going to do that, and then I'll bring you back in. So there we go, guys. Gave it a bit of a wash in the sink. Don't tell me it's Involvo'd. And yeah, it's not perfect, but certainly a lot cleaner, isn't it? A lot nicer compared to, so this is how it is before. It's about as heavy as one of those Pyrex things, you know, for like your lasagna and that. It's basically the same as that, maybe even a little bit heavier. It's honestly, it's crazy. The bounce on that seal, nice. So we'll take our new clips. But no, it's not a sewing kit. Bulbs. Yeah, these were actually a really good price off Amazon. Like, even for these, you got Bosch, Philips, Osram. They were like €1 or €2 for a pack. So yeah, I know it's kind of like feeding the devil, but I've never had to do this before. Yeah. Ugh.